Today we are going to study poem The Shed. It has been composed by Frank Flynn. You must have seen various kinds of shed. It's a small room we store tools, vehicles, animals, etc. And it's big away from the main house. Sometimes we keep all furniture or the things which we are not using regularly in that. When we go to villages, you will find the shed is used for keeping the animals or keeping woods. In this poem, the poet tells about the old shed in his garden. The poet narrated his childhood story in which he told that there was a shed in his house. Now we are going to recite the poem. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. I will open that door one day. In the beginning of the poem, the poet describes what kind of a shed and where it is located. It is just at the end of the garden. There is a spider web that is hanging across the door, and the spider web signifies that the door of the shed is not used for long days. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. Hinges means it is a sort of joint which is set in the door. You can see the picture. They are rusty. That means they are very old and it's decaying. Rust is on the hinges, and it creak in the wind. Creak means it is producing very unpleasant sound which makes us uncomfortable. If you try to open the door, it creaks. When the wind blows across this shed, these hinges produce lot of creaking sound. Poet says, when I am in bed, I lie and I listen. When he is free, he will lie in the bed and he will listen to that sound. And he says, I'll open that door one day. He wanted to open that door and he wanted to see what is inside that shed. Now the second stanza. There is a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. I often think there is someone staring at me. Each time that I pass, I will peep through that window one day. The poet is continuing his description about the shed. He says, there's a dusty old window and glass panes, that is glass sheet. Panes of glass means a thin sheet of glasses, and 3, it is cracked, it is broken. The poet often thinks that there is someone staring at him. Poet says, whenever I try to go around there, I feel somebody is staring at. Again, he expresses his desire that he wants to go to that shed one day and he will peep through the window and see if there is somebody staring at him. Now, third stanza. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head, but I will take a peek one day. His brother says there is a ghost who hides under the decaying floorboards. Floorboards means wooden boards that cover the floor. And if I ever dare to set foot inside. Here the poet's brother again warns him that if again he goes and he is showing that courage to go and see what is inside the shed, what happens? The ghost will jump out and cut off his head. Poet knows that his brother is lying. He wants to have a look inside the shed. He is very curious about to find out what is inside the shed. I know that there is not really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. There is not always staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when, I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. The poet is trying to make himself believe that there is no ghost inside the shed. But his brother tells to keep the shed for himself, for his private purposes. Maybe he doesn't want the poet to go inside the shed. That's why his brother frightens the poet that there is a ghost and it will jump up and kill you. The poet knows that there is no one staring at him or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from the web, but he doesn't know when. Towards the end of the poem, he says, I will go into the shed one day soon, but not right now. It means that poet is very scared to go right now, but he decides that he wanted to go into that shed and wanted to see what is inside.